Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Kiener Plaza functions as a transitional public space between the downtown grid and the Gateway Arch grounds, acting as both an entry point and a gathering area within the urban landscape. Its position places it at the key junction where movement shifts from structured city streets into a more open, monument-focused environment, creating a gradual transition rather than an abrupt change. The plaza has undergone multiple redesigns, with its current form emphasizing accessibility, visibility, and flexible use. Open sightlines are a central feature, allowing clear visual connection between surrounding buildings and the arch beyond. This creates a sense of continuity between the built city and the landscaped riverfront, reinforcing the idea that both areas are part of a connected system rather than separate zones. The layout is organized to support both everyday use and large-scale events. Pathways guide movement across the space without forcing a single direction, while open areas can accommodate gatherings, performances, or public activities. Seating, landscaping, and water features are integrated in a way that balances function with visual clarity, avoiding overcrowding while still providing defined zones within the plaza. Kiener Plaza also serves as a staging area for movement throughout downtown. It connects directly to major streets and pedestrian routes, making it a point where people naturally pass through rather than a destination requiring deliberate access. This constant flow reinforces its role as a part of the city's circulation system, linking different districts and landmarks while maintaining a consistent level of activity throughout the day. The design reflects a shift in urban planning priorities. Earlier versions of the space were more segmented and less connected to surrounding areas, but the current layout prioritizes openness and adaptability. This approach allows the plaza to function effectively across different times of the day and varying levels of activity, maintaining usability without relying on fixed programming. Its relationship to the Gateway Arch is particularly important. While physically separate from the monument grounds, Kiener Plaza operates as a visual and spatial extension of that environment. The alignment of sightlines and pathways draws attention towards the arch, reinforcing its presence within the city while maintaining the plaza's role as an independent public space. Kiener Plaza represents how urban design can mediate between dense city structure and open public landscape. It does not dominate the surrounding area or compete with nearby landmarks, but instead provides a flexible framework that supports movement, gathering, and visual connection across this part of St. Louis.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.